So our topic for today is all about, everybody read, nature of different dances. Okay, are you excited? Okay, but for now, let's have an activity first. So what you are going to do is to match the given images to its proper name. I know you can do it. Love! Before we will proceed, let's answer activity 1 first. For picture number 1, what form of dance is this? Click your answer. Sing-sing, itik-itik, or carinyosa. Click your answer now. Sorry, you're wrong. Try again. You are correct. For picture 2, what form of dance is this? Click your answer. Manlalapit, karinyusa, or tinkling. Click your answer now. You are correct. For picture 3, what form of dance is this? Click your answer. Modern dance or ballroom dance? Click your answer now. You are correct. Keep it up.
So, okay. So, that is my example using PowerPoint presentation in how to insert hyperlink and voiceover narration automatically. So, now let's do this. Okay. So, if you have your laptop there or if you want to join on how to do that one, please open your PowerPoint presentation. So, now, okay, I have here this one, nature of different dances. But first, we will use the how to insert hyperlink po muna. Okay. So now, here, in my... Okay, so make sure you prepare your slides, your designs for your PowerPoint presentation para mas madali po nating magawa ang ating hyperlink. Ma-insert po natin ang hyperlink, the voiceover narration automatically. So in here, in my slide, I put tinikling, itik-itik, karinyusa as my choices. Now, when I put this one here, may lalabas na po siya na hyperlink. Meaning, nakalink na po siya into another slide. So, how are we going to do that one? Okay. So, ito po. So, when I click tinikling, yun po. So, meaning to say, that is correct. So, nakalink na po siya dito. Okay. This is third slide. So, how are we going to do that one? So, ito po. Right-click the picture if you have the picture or even words or letters. So, right-click nyo lang po. Example, this one. Then, click hyperlink. And then, place in this document. Click lang po and it will, this one will appear. Slide titles. And look at this part here. So, ano pong numero ang slide na gusto nyong i-link. And click the slides and then click OK. Click OK. So, yun po. Ganon lang po ka-easy kung paano maglagay or mag-insert ng hyperlink into your PowerPoint presentation slide. So, meaning to say, nakalink na po yung mga choices natin, no? So, since we're done on how to insert hyperlink into another link with your PowerPoint presentation slides, let's proceed the second features of PowerPoint presentation on how to insert voice-over narration automatically. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so let's play this one.
So our topic for today is all about, everybody read, nature of different dances. Before we are...
Okay. So, try to look at this one. Now, here. Ito po. This one is what we call audio icon. Dito po nanggagaling ang mga salitang binibitawan natin for the slides. So, how are we going to insert voiceover narration? Automatically, of course. So, here. In the upper part of your toolbar, here, your slide, click Insert. Okay. Click Insert. And click this one, Audio. Sa kabilang slide po, aside po, click Audio. Katabi po ng Video and Screen Recording, click Audio. Okay. Pag-click nyo ng audio, it will appear audio on my PC and record audio. Now, if you have audio in your PC na na-record nyo na po at na-save nyo po, pwede nyo pong gamitin. But, for now, I will use this record audio. Now, if you click record audio, ito po ang lalabas. We have the record sound bar. Now, take note. This red dot, it means na if you're ready with your recording, you need to click this red dot. Okay, so, inhale, exhale. So, if I'm ready, click. Okay, I will click. Lalabas na po itong blue sign. The square one. Okay. So, meaning, dito nyo, look at this one, the total sound length, nagre-record na po siya. So, if you're done recording, click the click the blue square. And click OK. Yan po. So, dito, nakalabas na po ang ating audio icon. And you can play that one again. Click this one. Lalabas na po itong blue sign. The square one. Okay. So, meaning, dito nyo, look at this one, the total sound length, nagre-record na po. Okay, so, now, here, if you want to trim or meron kang gustong alisin sa na-record mo, you can click again this record audio icon. And then, it will appear in the audio tools. We have the format and playback. Click playback. Yan. Click playback po. As I've said, if you want to trim or if you want to delete something in your record, click trim audio. Ayan po. So, lalabas na po itong trim audio bar. Okay. So, this green one, meaning dito po magsa-start ang iyong record. And this one, the red one also, dito po magtatapos ang iyong record. So, how about gusto kong i-edit dito? Okay. Yan po. Drag lang nyo lang po. Drag and then drag. Okay. So, example lang po yan. So, if you're done, you can play again. Kung okay na ba sa iyo ang record nyo. Or ang na-trim ninyo. Total sound length. Nagre-record. Okay. Meron pa ito pa. Okay. Then, play again. Okay. Then, if you're okay, if you're satisfied with your record, you can click OK. Ayan. So, meaning, nandito na po siya. Okay. Yun na po ang na-trim ninyo. Now, Teacher Grace, I want na pag-click ng slide, automatic din pong lalabas ang audio. Of course, you can do that one. As I've said, in this video tutorial, meron po tayong features ng PowerPoint presentation. Again, we have, yes, hyperlink. And then this one, insert audio or voice over narration. And the last one, automatically po pag-insert. Okay. So, again, click the audio icon. And then, again, in the audio tools, click playback. Now, here, in this part, start, pag click nyo po ito, lalabas po ang in-click sequence automatically and when click on. So, what you are going to click? Yes, very good. Of course, automatically po. Ayan. Okay. So, now, let's play.
Okay. So, slideshow lang. So, our topic for today is all about, everybody read, nature of different dances. Okay, are you excited? Okay, but for now, let's have an activity first. So, what you are going to do is to match the given images to its proper name. I know you can do it.
Good luck! Before we will proceed, let's answer activity 1 first. Dito nyo, look at this one, the total sound length. Nagre-record na po siya.
Okay. So, ayun po, lumabas din po ang na-record nating video na ginawa natin in line with our tutorial. So, yun po, ganun lang po ka-easy. Gamit lamang ang PowerPoint presentation using the 3 features of PowerPoint presentation. More pa po ang madidiscover natin using PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so I hope may natutunan po sa ating video tutorial today. And again, let's review what are the features of PowerPoint presentation na ginamit po natin. Okay, let's have number 1. Yes, hyperlink. And we also have the second one. Yes, the voiceover narration. And the third one, automatic po ang ginamit natin. Using again, PowerPoint presentation only. So, ayan po. I hope may natutunan. And please, wait for the other videos, other classroom tutorial videos. I know, kaya po natin tong mga teachers. Tayo pa ba? Diba? Teachers are very resourceful and very creative. So, again and again, thank you so much. And God bless everyone. Keep safe and good day. Thank you. Goodbye. So, salute to all teachers and sulong edukalidad.